Today, I am going to be sharing with you the finger holes for relaxation. So before I begin, just go ahead and place down in the chat for me how you feeling today, what was your day like. Go ahead and share with me, say hi and what happened in your day and how you feeling with every single thing. So this is a great exercise, the finger holes towards the end of your day. I love doing it as I'm going to sleep or when I'm waking up in the morning. And it's based on a Japanese medicine technique known as Jin Shin Jitsu. Jin Shin Jitsu. And it involves holding the fingers one by one. So let's go ahead and get started. And you can begin just by holding the thumb, and you can hold either hand, and you begin by kind of embracing that thumb with the hand, and you just feel the pulse. Notice if there's a pulse there. And sometimes I might close my eyes to just feel if there is a pulse there or not. And what holding this finger, the thumb holds the energy of worry. So it allows any worry to be released from the system and it harmonizes it. So just go ahead and hold it. And the next finger is the index finger, which can have the energy of fear. You know, sometimes people do this, don't do that, and don't do that, and don't do that. And so by holding the index finger, we allow ourselves to release any fear and to harmonize it as well. So you can just feel if there's a pulse there, and the aim is for the pulse between the palm and the finger that's being held to become synchronized and one. This is known as harmonization. So just hold the index finger and just breathe in and out. And if there's a pulse there, just notice it between your hands. And it just allows for any fear to be released from the system. And the longest you can hold a finger for is 20 minutes. Like, you don't need to hold more than 20 minutes. And the reason we say 20 minutes is a scientist did an experiment where a group of people on that experiment breathed in a breath. And what they found was that it took 20 minutes for that breath to come out as carbon dioxide. So that's holding the second finger, which is the fear finger. The next is a symbol as well, a swear symbol that you may or may not be familiar with, used commonly when someone feels angry to push people away. And so you hold this finger and you're harmonizing, anger, and you're releasing anger as well. And just hold it and feel the pulse. And just breathe in and out. Focus the attention on the finger, the hand holding the finger, as if you would be lightly cradling a baby. It's a very light touch. And the next finger has the energy of sadness, or the emotion of sadness associated with it. And just hold it And notice the pulse or not pulse. If you don't have a pulse, it's also okay. You're just feeling what it feels like to hold it. And then the little finger, hold the little finger, which has the energy of trying too hard. The energy of trying too hard. And notice, is there a pulse there or not pulse? And as you hold it and cradle it, just allow any effort to melt away. And the final part of the finger hold is to place the palm on the palm, the palm on the palm. And as you place the palm on the palm, to breathe in and out for 9 counts. Lovely. So there you have the finger holds for relaxation. The thumb, when you hold the thumb, you're releasing worry. When you hold the index finger, you're releasing fear. When you hold the next finger, you're releasing anger. And when you hold the next finger, you're releasing sadness. And the final finger, the little finger, when you hold it, you're releasing trying too hard or effort. A way to remember it easily. So this is fear, that's F. This is anger, that's A. This is sadness, that's S. This is trying too hard, that's T. So F, A, S, T, which spells fast. So the way to remember it is clear, worry. So my hand is the energy of clear. So clear, worry, F-A-S-T. Clear, worry, fast. Wonderful. Let me know in comments how you found this. What was your experience like?